Parallel stance punch, low, middle, high. Narani so Jirugi. Go ahead.
Parallel stance punch, middle. The arm shoulder height, the fist in the center of your body. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Parallel stance punch, low. Fist to your umbilicus, fist in the center of your body. And you go up, down, up, down, up, down. Parallel stance punch, high. Put your hand in the center of your body and your knuckles at eye level. And you go up, down. Parallel stance punch.
Walking stance, outer forearm, low, obverse block.
Walking stance, outer forearm, low obverse block is walking stance, Gunan So, outer forearm, back at Palmok, low, Najundi, obverse, Barrow, Maki. Gunan So, back at Palmok, Najundi, Barrow, Maki. You start in the same position, shoulders one shoulder width apart, in parallel stance. You step forwards with your left hand and your left leg. You cross your arms back to back with your blocking hand on top, your reaction hand on the bottom, and you step forwards. You're blocking with your outer forearm to the bottom, and then you step forwards again. To do this, you can bring your right hand up, but naturally they go back to back in front of your opposite ribs. Again. Walking stance, outer forearm, low, obverse block.
Walking stance, middle, obverse punch.
Walking stance, Gunan So, middle, Kayundi, obverse, same side, same leg, Barrow, Jirugi, punch. To do this, you stand in parallel stance. You're going to begin with the right hand and the right leg. With a block, you begin with the left. With an attack, you generally begin with the right. So you step forwards, just begin by relaxing, stepping forwards and punch with the right hand. To do that again, you step forwards with the left leg, also into walking stance, and punch with the left hand. It should be shoulder height towards the center of your body, with your shoulders nice and square. Again, 1. Walking stance, middle, obverse punch.
Sitting stance punch.
Sitting stance, Anan So, punch, Jirugi. Sitting stance is 1.5 shoulder widths wide from the outside of your feet to the outside of your feet. You spread your legs and then you bend your knees until your knees become over your feet. You turn your knees outwards as if you're sitting on a chair. You keep your core tight and your shoulders square. You extend your left hand out in front of you and your right hand is on your hip. Then you punch. To do this, you go relax, down, up, down and punch. Relax, down, up, down and punch.
Walking stance, knife hand, low, obverse block.
This technique will be with the left leg and the left hand because it's a block. Walking stance, Gunan So, knife hand, Song Kao, low, Najundi, obverse block, Baramaki. Gunan So, Song Kao, Najundi, Baramaki. So stepping forwards with the left leg, you want to put your feet, again, 1.5 shoulder widths long from the toes, and about 1 shoulder width wide. You're going to block with your left hand. To do this, the left hand will be on top or inside, and the reaction hand will be on the bottom or on the outside. Both hands twist towards their target. Stepping forwards. This comes from the opposite ribs. And And again, stepping forwards a second time. When you're doing this, the elbow should be slightly bent, 15 degrees. Your ribs should be near your elbow. What you're doing is striking someone's leg with your knife hand to block and damage their leg. Walking stance, knife hand, low outer forearm, low obverse block.
Walking stance, inner forearm, middle obverse block.
Walking stance, good and so, middle, K-U-N-D, inner forearm, and palmok, obverse block, baromaki. Gun and so, K-U-N-D, and palmok, baromaki. With this technique, both hands will be facing away from you at the beginning. The blocking hand is underneath or on the outside. The reaction hand is on top or on the inside. Both hands twist towards their target. When you were punching, you had your shoulders square. Now that you are blocking, your shoulders need to be half facing. That's halfway between side and full, half facing, diagonal to your target. So from here, stepping forwards, 1 shoulder width wide, 1.5 shoulder widths long. Blocking hand is on the outside. Stepping forwards again. Walking stance, inner forearm, obverse block.